how do you do g of f of -2? You're going to plug -2 into the f function. So -2 here is what? -2 squared is 4, and then you're going to plug 4 into the g function. So what do you get? What's 4 minus 3? Elise? 1.
Oh, darn.
Next one. F of g of -2. You're going to plug -2 in the g function. So if you plug -2 right here, you get -2 minus 3 is -5. And then you're going to plug -5 into the f function. So what's -5 squared? 25. 38, f of 0. You're going to plug 0 in the f function. So 0 squared is 0. And then you're going to plug 0 in the g function. 0 minus 3 is -3. Next one. 0 in the g function. If you plug 0 into this function, 0 minus 3 is -3. And then -3 in the f function, -3 squared is 9. 3.5 into the f function. Can someone tell me what 3.5 squared is? .5 squared is 12.25. And then 12.25 in the g function, what's 12.25 minus 3? You get 9.25. Okay, how about 3.5 in the g function? So you're going to do 3.5 minus 3 is what? 0.5. And then 0.5 in the f function. What's 0.5 squared?
1.
Nope, 0.25. And the last 3 on this section. If you plug a in the g function, you're going to plug an a right here, a minus 3. And then you're going to plug this into the f function. So it'd be a minus 3 quantity squared. Next one, negative a in the f function. Negative a in the f function, you're going to get negative a squared is a squared. And then a squared into the g function is going to be a squared minus 3. Am I going too fast?
No, you're good. You're good.
And the last one, negative a in the g function. Negative a in the g function, so it's negative a minus 3. And then you're going to plug this in the f function. So it's saying to take that and square it. So it'd be negative a minus 3 quantity squared. Easy? Okay, flip over. We're going to do these real quick. What does f of x plus g of x tell you to do? Tells you to add these two functions. So you have 2x plus 5 plus x squared minus 3x plus 2. Now you need to put this in standard form. What goes first? X squared. Then add these two, what do you get? Minus 1x. And 5 and 2 is 7. So that's f plus g of x. Number 48. I need you to multiply 3 times f of x. So 3 times 2x plus 5, and then subtract 2. So 6x plus 15 minus 2 is 6x what? Plus
13.
13. Okay, the next one. What does g of x minus f of x tell you to do? You take the g of x function, x squared minus 3x plus 2, and you're gonna do what? Subtract f of x. Subtract 2x plus 5. So, what do you do with this subtraction one? What do you do with this minus sign? Combine, you're gonna first distribute the negative, and then combine like terms. So it's minus 5x minus 3. Next one. Negative 2 times the g function. Negative 2 times the g function. And then add the f function. So it's negative 2x squared plus 6x minus 4, and then plus 2x plus 5. So add like terms, you have negative 2x in front, plus 10x, and then plus 1. Easy?
Yeah.
51, what is it telling you to do? What is this saying? Take the f function, 2x plus 5, subtract the g function, and then add 10. So let's distribute the negative. Minus x squared plus 3x minus 2. And now add like terms. This is the biggest term right here. This is the highest power. That goes in front. Add the x's. How many x's do you have? 5x. And 5 minus 2 is 3, and 3 plus 10 is 13. 52. What is it telling you to do? Take 4 and multiply it by the f function. So 4 times 2x plus 5 plus 2 times the g function. So distribute. 4 times 2x is 8x. 4 times 5 is 20. 2 times x squared minus 6x plus 4. Add like terms. 2x squared plus 2x plus 24. Next one, 53. You're going to take the opposite of the f function. So in other words, multiply the f function by negative 1. So negative 1 times 2x, and then you're going to add 4 times the g function. 4 times x squared minus 3x plus 2. So it's negative 2x plus 4x squared minus 12x plus 8. Better answer?
4x squared minus 10x plus 8.
14x
Yeah.
minus 14x plus 8. 54. Take the f function, which is 2x plus 5, and you're going to subtract 2 times the product of the g function. So you have 2x plus 5 minus 2x squared plus 6x minus 4. Better answer. Negative 2x squared plus how many x's?
8.
8.
And then plus
1.
1. We're gonna stop at 58, yes. For 55, what do you do with F times G? How do you do F times G? What are they asking you to do here? This is a big one. You have to FOIL, or distribute, I should say. So you're gonna do, sorry, there's not a lot of room here. So you're gonna do 2x times x squared, which is 2x cubed, 2x times negative 3x, which is negative 6x squared, and 2x times x squared, 2x times negative 3x, and 2x times 2x. 2x times 2 is 4x. And then you're going to do 5 times x squared, 5 times negative 3x, and 5 times 2. If you add these up, you get 2x cubed minus 1x squared minus 11x plus 10. $56, you have to take negative 3 and multiply it by the f function. And then multiply the g function. So I'm going to rewrite this as negative 6x minus 15. And guess what? You're going to FOIL that with this. This is a big one. Negative 6 times x squared is negative 6x cubed. Negative 6x times negative 3x is 18x squared. And negative 6x times 2, negative 12x. Then I'm going to do the second term. 15 times x squared, 15x squared, minus, a negative times a negative is a positive, and 5 times 2 is 10. Add these up, negative 6x cubed plus 33x squared plus 3x plus 10. F divided by g. Well, the f function is 2x plus 5. And the g function is x squared minus 3x plus 2. There's nothing that's going to cancel here, so that's your best answer. And for 58, they want you to take 5 and multiply it by the f function. And then divide that by the g function. And there's nothing that can cancel, so we're just going to leave that. Now you can write this last one as 10x plus 25 over x squared minus 3x plus 2. Done.